afternoon, Lisa.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
I'm Risa Picanda, 25 years old. I'm a single mom. Graduate high school. I have experience in Syria. I have 2 employers. From my first employer, I have 6 members of the family, and I take care of 2 years old children. And the second family, I finished contract 2 years and have 2 members of the family.
Let's talk about your first employer. 6 members in the family, 4 adults and 2 children.
Only 1 children, ma'am, 5 adults.
5 adults.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is your main duty in your employer's house? In your
Cleaning,
first employer?
ironing,
Doing laundry?
yes, ma'am, doing laundry and cooking.
How many times do you cook?
Once a day, ma'am.
Once a day.
Yes, ma'am.
How many times do you do ironing and laundry?
At night.
At night, every day?
Every day.
What about laundry every day?
No, ma'am, 3 times a week.
3 times a week?
Yes, ma'am.
Laundry and every night ironing.
Yes, ma'am.
In
If
your
I have
second
time, ma'am, I do my ironing.
Your second employer from 2010 to 2012.
Yes, ma'am.
What time do you wake up in the morning and what time do you sleep at night?
I wake up at 5 a.m. and I go to sleep at 12 a.m.
So, what is your main duty in your second employer?
Making their coffee, cleaning, doing laundry, and making clean the garden, and ironing.
Gardening. So, you know how to do gardening.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you do that every day?
No, ma'am, twice a week.
Twice a week. You're the
Yes,
only maid in their house.
Yes, ma'am.
Only 2 adults.
Yes,
No
ma'am.
children and no...
Only 2 sisters, ma'am.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong this time?
To save money, to have money to my son.
How many
Yes,
times?
future.
How many times day off in a week?
Only once a week.
Only one.
Yes,
Once a week.
once a week. In my experience, ma'am, no day off.
No day off for
resting,
2 years.
Yes, ma'am.
In Hong Kong, they will provide you a once a week day off, but if it's not on weekends, but instead on weekdays, is that okay with you?
It's okay, ma'am.
Can you promise to finish your household chores before going out for holiday?
Yes, ma'am.
Any message for your future employer, Risa?
Hello, ma'am, sir. If you choose me, I promise you that I will do my best to finish my contract and I do your rules and regulation.
That's all, Risa. Thank you. Good day.
Thank you, ma'am.